Hey guys, how's it going today? Today I'll be showing you guys how to get cheap, effective, glow-in-the-dark sights for your handgun. The product I'll be using is this paste. It's on Amazon for about 10 bucks. I'll leave a link down below. Anyways, you grab a small toothpick, you grab a small amount of paste out of there. You apply the paste in the holes of your sights. And you leave that to dry for about half an hour. After that's all done, you grab a flashlight, you apply the light on the sights for 5 seconds. After that's all done, these sights will now glow in the dark. It's really simple and effective. If you guys want to try this product out, I'll leave a link down below. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.